Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
If our phones do not charge, the battery is late, or there is a problem of contactless charging, this is the first stage repair video. If you go to our second stage video without applying this stage, your repair cost will increase. Of course, what you need to do first is to check your charger and cable, but if you are sure about these parts, there may be a problem with the charging socket of our device. Let's see how we can solve this for free.
The brand of our device can be Samsung, Lenovo, Apple, Mi, Honor, HP, Huawei, Reader or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all.
These malfunctions can usually be caused by oxidation that may occur in our charging socket and charging cable. As you can see this malfunction, we will use a contact cleaner lubricant of the WD-40 or equivalent 404 brand that I use. If our device does not turn on, when it is turned on, if we play with its cable or when the cable moves, it closes by itself. It means there is an electrical problem. By following the methods in this video, you can easily fix this fault. When we move our device a little while it is charging or change the direction of the cable, we see that the charging process does not continue properly. Our aim is to solve this problem. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost. We guide you about the malfunctions of all your other electronic devices, free of charge diagnosis and solution methods. If you write in the comments, our expert team will respond as soon as possible. By removing oxidation with WD-40 or 404 lubricant contact cleaner, the charge of our device becomes more stable, and I have experienced this many times and wanted to share it with you. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. Friends, at the end of our video, you will see what a great job we have done. While making repairs, it is necessary to give great importance to the cosmetic appearance. We clean the oxidation by dripping WD-40, contact cleaner, or disinfectant as I applied. We can solve this problem without changing any parts. Many repairmen may hide this information from you. So please share our videos. If you live in a humid place, your charging socket is probably oxidized. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. We squeeze directly into the charging socket, plug and unplug the charging cable several times and clean the oxidation in the socket. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Friends, this video is the first stage repair video. This video will repair our device with 20% probability. We squeeze a small amount of our contact cleaner into the charging socket, and by plugging and unplugging the charging cable a few times, we make this oxidation more effective through friction. I am trying this with you right now. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully.
Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple.
It's a good idea to do this a few times. Even though we moved the cable, there was no interruption in the device charging. We saw how successful our process was. You can also apply the same process to your devices. If the gold rate is low in the conductive parts of the devices, oxidation may occur. After applying it, we provide full contact by moving it a little. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.